Fact number 1. Guys, Swami Vivekananda was born on 12 January 1863, 6 minutes before sunrise at 6.33 minutes 33 seconds. Fact number 2. The family members expressed the desire to name the boy Durga Das, but on the basis of the dream seen by his mother, the child house name was named Vireshwara, while his official name was Narendra Nath. Fact number 3. He is known for his oratory skills, especially the English speech he gave in Chicago is still famous today. But you will be surprised to know that in BA, Swamiji number in English used to be around 50%. Fact number 4. When Swamiji was angry in his childhood, his mother Bhuvneshwari Devi would pour cold water on him and say Om Namah Shivaya, and by doing this, he would calm down. Fact number 5. Swami Vivekananda loved birds and animals. He kept cows, monkeys, goats and peacocks in his childhood. Fact number 6. Swamiji loved eating khichdi, and Swamiji lost his faith in God due to unemployment. Even after doing BA, he started saying God does not exist. Fact number 7. Swamiji's sister Jogen Bala committed suicide and ended her life. Fact number 8. When Swamiji became a monk from Narendra, his name was Swami Vivekananda. Before moving to Chicago, he changed his name to Vivekananda. Fact number 9. Swami Vivekananda was a tea lover. Against the belief of that time, he had allowed the tea to be drunk in his monastery. Fact number 10. Swamiji was so engrossed in serving the needy that he did not pay attention toward his health. In a short life of 39 years, he had faced about 31 diseases including diabetes, asthma, liver and kidney disease and many other diseases. Fact number 11. Swamiji always used to say that he would not live beyond the age of 40 and he went to heaven at the age of 39 years. Fact number 12. India's Vedanta reached every country in America and Europe only because of Swami Vivekananda. He established the Ramakrishna mission and is still doing his work. He was the talented disciple of the Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa. Fact number 13. Swami Ramakrishna Paramahansa died on 16 August 1886. Ramakrishna taught Swami Vivekananda that serving humans is more than worshipping God. Fact number 14. At the World Religious Conference on 11 September 1893, he gave his first speech on Hindutva. He began his speech with Sisters and Brothers of America. On hearing this, all the people present there stood up for him and played applause. Around 7,000 people had gathered at that time. Fact number 15. He returned to India in 1897. He also gave many speeches in India. He also lectured on social issues. At that time, his speeches had a great influence on leaders like Mahatma Gandhi and Subhash Chandra Bose. Fact number 16. In 1899, despite being in bad shape, he traveled to the south. This journey, he founded the Vedanta Society in San Francisco and New York and the Peace Ashram in California. Fact number 17. Swami Vivekananda had wrote many books like Karma Yoga in 1896, Raj Yoga in 1896, Vedanta Shastra 1896, Speeches from Colombo to Elmora 1897 and Bhakti Yoga etc. Fact number 18. In July 1893, Swami Vivekananda went to Chicago. At that time, the World Sarv Dharma Sammelan was organized there, but for some reason, he was not given the opportunity to speak first. But later, with the help of Professor John Henry, he got the chance to speak. Fact number 19. You will be surprised to know that one Swami Vivekananda made Mughalai tea with Bal Gangadhar Tilak. Fact number 20. The great Swami Vivekananda died on 4th July 1903 at the age of 39 years in Baler Mutt. His birthday is celebrated as National Youth Day in India. So guys, if you like these facts, kindly please subscribe to our channel.